Hi friends, this is Noor and you are watching Mobile Solutions. Hi friends, this is Noor and you are watching Mobile Solutions. In this video I am going to show you how to remove Huawei LX1. The model is Y7 2019. So we are going to unlock FRP by test point using Octopus box. Please stay tuned and keep watching my videos. So follow me on the screen. So I have already opened my Octopus software, and as you can see, my phone is asking for Gmail. This device was reset to continue sign in with a Google account that was previously synced on this device. That means we have to unlock this first. We have to power our phone and disassemble the back body of phone. As you can see, I have already disassembled the phone. This cover was here and I disassembled in order to connect the test point. So let me show you. Also, you can see on the screen I have already saved the test point. So if you want, you can download it from here, as you can see on screen. So first of all, one thing we have to do is that we have to connect these 2 points, this one and this one, to the ground like this, and plug the USB cable. That's why I soldered between these 2 points. So let me show you. I'll connect the USB cable. So let me remove this finger and so 1 2 3 I will connect this point to the ground and plug the cable. But unfortunately my device is not detected, so we should try again. Connect battery and connect these 2 points to the ground. And insert USB cable. Unfortunately the phone is not detecting, so we have to try again and again until we get success in connecting. So I'll connect again this point to ground and insert USB cable, but unfortunately it's detecting charging, so I should try without battery. So I have disconnected battery. Keep my cable ready here, and then I will connect the test point and plug the cable. Yes, I got it. And now I should connect the battery here. I think the USB is detected. Yes, the COM43, as you can see on screen, COM43 is appeared in my screen. and I can make sure that by opening the device manager. Let me see here whether the port is detected or not. Here you can see Qualcomm HS USB QD loader 9008 port is detected. That means the phone is connected in the EDL mode. So first of all, we should select the port number that we have already selected and simply click on reset FRP EDL mode. So click reset FRP, and as you can see the phone is connecting, and I hope so it's gonna work. It will be restarted in a while. As you can see, loaders send successfully and reconnecting the phone. So we will wait to be restarted now. I hope so this is worked. The problem was basically with the battery, so we should connect this phone without battery and then we can connect the phone. As you can see, the phone is successfully unlocked. Yes, FRP lock is successfully resetted. So now we have to wait for the phone to be restarted. So it's still in EDL mode. So for that we have to disconnect the battery and reconnect it. Yes, I will disconnect the battery, disconnect cable, and first connect the battery and then connect the cable. Let me power on. So it's not gonna power on because my test point is still connected here, so we have to remove this wire. I have removed it now, and I am connecting the battery again and try to power on button. Yes, I got it. The phone is successfully unlocked. I hope so you liked my video, and if you have any questions, suggestions, you can ask me in comment box. I'll try to solve your problem if this is possible for me. And if you failed, and if your phone is not supported with this test point or any other method, you can contact us by WhatsApp. We will give you another way, and you also can watch my video in the cards. It will be shown up there on the video right side, and you can watch my other video. As you can see here, the skip button is appeared that was not before here, and we can click on just skip button and can leave these settings. We can set up it in the settings again. For Huawei ID we don't need further time. So if you have any question, comment, suggestion, you can ask me in comment box. So thanks for watching. Goodbye. No thanks.